Hello students, good evening. This is the important question and find the derivatives of sine 3x by first principle method. Okay, so we have to take firstly let fx is equal to sine 3x, and there is given finding the first principle method by first principle method. So you have to write over here first principle method is what f dash x is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx whole upon h. Okay, this formula you remember. Okay, and then after we can write here f of x plus h. So at the place of x we can write here x plus h. Okay, and then we can write here f of x plus h is equals to sine 3x plus 3h, and then after we can apply over here the formula, that is f dash x is equals to limit h tends to 0 sine 3x plus 3h minus sine 3x whole upon h. Okay, and then after here sine 3x plus h and minus sine 3x, so you have to remember this is what c and this is d. Okay, and then we can be see that sine c minus sine d formula. Okay, so now at the place of this we can apply sine c minus sine d formula. So sine c minus sine d formula is what 2 cos c plus d whole upon 2 dot sine c minus d whole upon 2. Clear? And then after now you have to apply the formula, that is f dash x is equals to limit h tends to 0. So what is the formula? 2 cos, so you have to write down 2 cos c plus d. So what is the value of c? 3x plus 3h. And what is the value of d? That is 3x and whole upon 2. Clear? You got the answer? Yes. And then dot sine here c minus d upon 2. So c is what? 3x plus 3h and minus d. D means 3x whole upon 2. So 3x going to be cancelled over here. So here will be remain only what? 3h. And then we can write here limit h tends to 0 2 cos 6x plus 3h whole upon 2 dot sine 3h upon 2 whole upon h. Clear? Till here you understood? Good. And then after we can write here what? We can write here limit h tends to 0 2 cos 6x plus 3h whole upon 2, so the same values, and now separate the limit. Okay, and then limit h tends to 0 sine 3h upon 2 whole upon, now listen here h is there now, so h upon 2 you have to be fixed because h upon 2 is there, and 3 into 3 you have to multiply in h. Then if you multiply by 3 then you have to do divide, and if you do divide over here then you have to multiply over here, means 3 upon 2 you have to multiply in h, so it's going to be 2 upon 3. Okay, so 3h upon 2. So we can write here what 2, listen here, this constant term we have taken outside, so it's going to be what 2 limit h tends to 0 cos 6x plus 3h whole upon 2 dot limit h tends to 0 3 upon 2 going to be upside. Okay, and then we can write what sine 3h upon 2 whole upon 3h upon 2. And this thing you know how it comes, because sine x by x is equals to 1. Okay, so we can write here 2 limit h tends to 0 cos 6x plus 3h whole upon 2 dot 3 upon 2 dot limit h tends to 0 sine 3h upon 2 whole upon 3h upon 2. Okay, so now you know the formula, that is h tends to 0, h is equal to 0, that is equal to be 0. And now at the place of h what you have to be put 0, so you can write here 2 cos 6x plus 3 into 0 whole upon 2 and dot 3 upon 2 into 1. Why into 1? Because you know limit x tends to 0 sine x by x is equals to 1. Yes or no? Remember the formula, this one? Okay, and then after we can write here what 3 only left, 3 and cos 6x 3 into 0 if we'll do then 0, so 6x upon 2, and then we can write here what 2 and 2 3s are 6, and this 2 and this 2 going to be cancelled, so we can write here 3 cos 3x, so we can write what, therefore f dash x is equals to 3 cos 3x. Okay, thank you, all the best, Jai Hind.